Qualifying a job order. Welcome. I'm Lori-Ann Jackal, and today we're going to talk about, is this client serious to be working with you? Well, first of all, you need a job description. Ask them point blank, can you describe some great qualities of this talented candidate that they want to hire? What is the salary? What's the bonus? What are the hours? What's the culture of the company? Why are they hiring? Why aren't they promoting from within? What is the timeline for this hire? Of course, if they say it's not for another 2 to 3 months, it may not be worth your time at this moment to start searching for the ideal candidate. Are they working with another recruiter? Very important to know. Many clients like to work with 2 to 3 recruiters. I always like to know if I'm the only one. If I am, you may want to pitch them on a retainer. How long have they been looking? Are they really serious about filling this position? Will they respond within 48 hours after receiving qualified candidates? Will they interview as soon as possible? How many candidates have they hired in the past 3 months through a recruiter? How many candidates have they hired over the past 6 months through a recruiter? Do you have a real connection with the client? Because establishing relationships and building them is a class act. Congratulations on receiving that job order. Now it's up to you to fill it.